ships have been detected in the area, sir.
Oh, damn. It's the other side again. Prepare for battle. All units, this is the captain. Prepare for battle.
Aircraft reconnaissances remain operational. Anti-aircraft armament remain operational, sir.
Launch aircraft at will.
Roger.
All units brace for impact.
Captain, this is the reconnaissance. A fleet of aircraft have been spotted heading your direction, sir.
Incoming barrage.
A cruiser has been confirmed to be hit, sir. Oh no, a huge wave of aircraft incoming!
Flag cannons. This is the captain. Fire! All units, open fire!
Captain, this is the battle cruiser. Dive bombers incoming.
Damn. We've been hit. We've been hit, Captain.
Well, us and the lab cruiser have been taking quite the beating over here.
Guys, shut up and take these bitches down. We're in some deep shit over here. Now come on, man up and get on those AA mounts. Oh shit, radar and gunpowder controls are taken out, Captain.
Damage report states that those AA mounts have been taken down, sir.
How could this be happening? Erase those fires immediately! No! Second main battery has been destroyed!
Alright, don't think we can hold these guys off for much longer.
You idiot! Just repair that damn damage now! What's the new damage report? Tell me now!
Aircraft reconnaissances are apparently under attack. We're going down!
Light cruisers, main barriers have now been completely destroyed!
Captain, this is the light cruiser. We have taken heavy damage. We can no longer fight with our main weapons. Do you hear me?
This is ridiculous! How is this happening? Guys, you gotta repair your damage now! Come on! Pull yourself together! Oh, I don't think we can take these guys on much longer. They are ripping our AA mounts apart!
Raise your alarm!
Captain, the medical room is on fire! Struck bad at the rear. The hallways are flooding in.
Oh my god, it's rushing in! Everybody, move it! We need to get out of here fast!
We only managed to repair a few AA mounts. The ship is still no longer stable. It's too late. All hands, this is the captain. Abandon ship.
All hands abandon ship. bombers have gone down. Now it's just us left.
There's no chance we're gonna win against these guys. Let's show them what we made of while we're still up on the surface.
We managed to fix some of our anti-aircraft armament. We can now continue fighting.
Alright, well let's show these bastards!
Yeah, come at me, you fool.
Our speed has been reduced by 4 knots.
Torpedo tube is down.
What's the damage report? It's all looking good.
Another one of our aircraft has been shot down by an enemy aircraft. And,
No, my assistant. We're losing men.
Vital fire control systems have been taken out, sir. I'm afraid it's over. We can no longer fight the ships. They go down.
Are you kidding me? Are you giving them all we got? I'm afraid so. We've given them all we got. Nothing's working. Alright. All hands. This is the captain.